Please help me with homework. Please help me with homework. Can we eat dinner together? Can we eat dinner together? I respect your wise advice. I respect your wise advice. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for loving me. May I borrow your phone? May I borrow your phone? Please tell me your story. Please tell me your story. I will finish my chores. I will finish my chores. Can you check my bag? Can you check my bag? Let us pray together today. Let us pray together today. I promise to study hard. I promise to study hard. Please wait for me here. Please wait for me here. Can we visit Uncle tomorrow? Can we visit Uncle tomorrow? I am grateful for you. I am grateful for you. Please teach me good manners. Please teach me good manners. I will clean the kitchen. I will clean the kitchen. Can you explain this lesson? Can you explain this lesson? I am learning from you. I am learning from you. Please forgive my small mistake. Please forgive my small mistake. Let us go shopping today. Let us go shopping today. I will make you proud. I will make you proud. Can we talk about school? Can we talk about school? Please remind me about tomorrow. Please remind me about tomorrow. I care about your health. I care about your health. Let us watch news together. Let us watch news together. I will always respect you. I will always respect you. Can you guide me properly? Can you guide me properly? Please share your life experience. Please share your life experience.